Now that everybody is satisfied with my meal, I'll go treat myself with some ice cream.
Madam, they don't sell ice cream 15 naira.
Me like this, I can make lunch for 8 people with 1,500. You think I cannot find ice cream 15 naira? It go shock you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Umlekaya Aliyu from Recipe Box NG, and today I'll show you how I made all this for 8 people with 1,500 naira. I'll take you to the market so you see how I bought everything we need for this. I have my 1,500 here, which I'll use to buy all my ingredients, and ooh, I have this. Whoever is not satisfied with my food, I will take them out and spoil them. So let's head to the market. Baba wannan shi ma 100. To samun carrot na 50. Ina son cucumber shi ma na 50. Na 30 ne ce. Kawai. Tumatir da attarugu na 100 ba, amma attarugun dan kadan. I'm going to buy tomatoes and pepper, 100 naira, but there is more of the tomatoes to the pepper. It's like 70-30 ratio. Okay, samun na 200. He doesn't actually sell potatoes 200, so I begged him to sell for me, and he did. Alhamdulillah. Now go there. Onions? No, I'm not buying those onions. Okay, I'm buying these ones because you have the onion and then you have the green onion part of it, so I can use both. He portioned them. Each portion is 100 naira. So he divided one of the portions and gave me half for 50 naira. This is my favorite cake shop. No, they don't sell cakes. I buy all of my baking ingredients here. You can actually come here if you're in Kaduna. No, catch spaghetti. Ban guda biyu. Biyu. No, they're fresh.
Fresh quality come.
Ah, guda daya.
Fada?
Eh.
30 naira.
30 naira? Ba sai da biyu 50.
Wani kala?
Zobo zan sa? Eh? Yeah, zobo zan sa. Yawa na gode.
Amma wani kisa.
Yawa na gode. Na 50 naira. Anyone? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Now 150.
Yes, I know. Give me 150, but this sells. Can I still buy extra one? Okay, so give me the 4, then give me one extra one. Please give me the extra. Should be big one. Extra one, please. So how much is that? Eh? 200. The extra one is 50 naira. So please give me the 50 naira. The 10 naira. I need it. So guys, I am back home and here is all that we got. Get a calculator and do the math. Just add everything together and write your answers in the comment section. Let's see whose calculator is Abba made. Something happened in the market today. I got chased out of a shop I went to buy spaghetti from. In the shop, I met 3 men. So I spoke to the man closest to me and he was going to sell the spaghetti to me. So I asked him if I could make a video. And he said, yeah, it's okay. There's no problem. You can do that. So as soon as I turned on my camera and my flash came on, the other 2 men just started yelling at me saying, no, you can't do that here. Leave our shop. No camera is allowed in here. You can't do that. You have to leave right now. Well, they spoke in Hausa and they were like, ba a mana video anan ba za ki mana wannan anan ba. Fita ki bar mana shago. Yeah. So I just hurriedly left the shop. Guys, it was really embarrassing. I laughed. I left the shop and I went to the second shop to buy my spaghetti. And almost the same thing happened, not completely same. As you could see, I actually bought the spaghetti from him, but he said I could only just take a video of whatever he's selling, but then I have to turn off the camera before he actually gives me whatever I'm buying. So that's why you could only hear me asking him for the spaghetti and all. Okay, so but what exactly is it about selling spaghetti and cameras? I don't know. Some people share. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're going to into preparation. I'm going to make the Zobo drink first because it takes more time for it to cool. So I poured my Zobo in a pot. I'm going to rinse it a bit, and now rinse it a bit. Wash the ginger and pound it. I'm going to add some water and let it boil. A lot of people are doing this challenge. I didn't even know about it until a friend sent it to our WhatsApp group. She saw it on Sisi's channel and she thought it would be nice if we tried it. Sisi made plantain porridge with peppered pomo for 4 people, I think. It looked really delicious. I'll put a link to her meal in the description box. I think you like it, so just check it out. I'll also put a link down to my friend's channel. Her name is Jamila Dora. If you're into beauty, skincare, makeup, you'll love her channel. So do check her out. Link in the description box. Guys, I think this Zobo turned out really well. I drank almost half of it all by myself. But I know someone who makes the best Zobo in the world. Like, so good. Her name is Habiba Hayat. Man, she's good. About 2 months back, we had a get-together, like a potluck with my friends. You're supposed to bring whatever you can. You're supposed to bring whatever you can to get together. So a friend said she'll take care of the drinks. So I privately called her and begged her to allow Habiba to make Zobo for us. Well, I ended up taking Fanta. This is called Fresh. It is a sweetener for any drink you want to make. There are different flavors you can use and there are also different brands you can buy. I think other brands are more expensive than this. You can't blame me for buying the cheaper stuff. We are on a budget, people. Yes, my friend was so unnice to me. I know there is no English word unnice, but it sounds so nice, so I keep using it. Okay, my Zobo is done and I'll let this chill in the fridge. While that's there, I'll wash and peel my potatoes. I'll be making potato salad. Cut into bite sizes. Add water and a pinch of salt. Now I want you to remember this salt. Just this pinch of salt that I've used, I want you to remember it for later. So my potatoes are cooking. I'm going to peel, wash and grate my carrots. It's going into the potato salad. I'll set that aside too. Our potatoes are done. I'll let them cool here while we make our mayonnaise. So how was your calculation? If your calculator was made where I'm from, you should get 1,450. That's what I spent in the market. And this is my change. I have 15 naira change remaining. Now I need 1 teaspoon of sugar. This bottle of vinegar is 200 and I need like 2 tablespoons. Remember the salt I used? Yeah, that pinch of salt I used on the potato. So I'll equate everything here to the 15 naira change that is remaining. So our 1.5 is complete. 1 egg into our blender, 2 sachet oil, blend and add sugar and vinegar mixture. The mayonnaise tasted really good, though it doesn't look so good. It's watery because it's on a budget. That's it. Our salad is done. Okay, now we're taking this to the fridge to chill. Let me know down in the comment section if you need individual recipes for everything I've made here, especially the spaghetti. You can't tell me you don't need a recipe for this spaghetti. Seriously. No. So next we're going to our sauce, the most important part of the meal. Shred my cabbage, wash and set that aside. The tomatoes and pepper, process. I used to think all vegetables have nothing to do with carbs until I joined a weight loss group and I found out that they all are carbs, but really low carbs actually. And the difference between them and other carbs like rice, yam, pasta is that they contain a lot of vitamins and minerals which are essential for the body. And then the carb content in them is very, very low. But don't think you have a plate full of rice and salad and think, oh, I'm eating a balanced diet. Ha ha, it's all carbs. Green onion, cut, wash, set aside. I have the last sachet of oil. I'll pour that in, add my onion, tomato and pepper, let it fry well. Look, I got 12 cubes, 12 seasoning cubes for 15 naira. I'll use only 5 and I still have 7 remaining. It's safe to say I used less than 1,500. So give me back my change. Cabbage goes in there, cover and let it cook. Green onion. One of my sisters doesn't like eggs, so I'll serve hers before I add the eggs. No, she's not a vegan. She eats everything else, fish, chicken, beef. She just doesn't like eggs, just eggs. So guys, we are done. I'm so impressed with myself. Everything turned out looking good and tasting amazing. Y'all need to try this out and also try out the 1-5 challenge and see what you can make with that amount. You'll be surprised how creative you can be. And please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a very big thumbs up. Share with everybody that needs budgeting, cooking with 1-5. Thank you for watching. Now that everybody is satisfied with my meal, how about that ice cream? Here we go. This one in the cup is 15 naira and the one in the cone is 20 naira. You can't beat that. Bye.